Hello friends! Today we're going on an exciting adventure to learn about something very special, an eclipse. But wait, what's an eclipse, you ask? Well, let's find out together. Meet our curious friends, Rosie the rabbit, Sammy the squirrel, and Benny the bird. Now imagine this. The Earth is like our home, and it has a special friend called the moon, who loves to orbit around it. And then there's the sun, shining bright in the sky. Sometimes something magical happens when the moon comes between the earth and the sun. It's called an eclipse. During an eclipse, the moon blocks the sun's light, creating shadows on earth. It's like a big game of peekaboo. Our friends are so excited to see the eclipse. But remember, it's important to never look directly at the sun. Instead, we can use special glasses or watch it safely on TV. Well, friends, our eclipse adventure has come to an end. But the fun and learning never stop. Remember, there's always something amazing to discover in the world around us. Until next time, keep exploring and dreaming big. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting adventures with us. Bye-bye!